Okay, well, today's video, we're just going to do a quickie here and see if we can get my 46 Dodge running. Had it running for a second, and for some reason it quit. I suspect it's the neutral safety switch. We've been bypassing it to make it think it has ground, but you know, if the whole switch is bad itself, I don't think it's going to run. So let's get this thrown in. We'll put some gas into the hood here and you know, in the carburetor, and see if it'll start up. I haven't really done too much on this car, but this is Dodge 318 I got for free out of a van. It's got a, I believe it's a 988 or a 727 trans behind it. They're both variants of the same transmission, and got these chrome valve covers and these stupid Chinese headers here that I can't get bolts in, so I'm gonna have to cut this and rework that, TIG weld it and all that crap. Regardless of that, this does run. I just haven't shown it yet. I don't have the radiator filled up, and the heater hoses are not hooked up yet, so I don't want to put any coolant in it. But enough yakking, let's get to it. Okay, well, I don't know what the deal was, but I got looking down there, and that transmission neutral safety switch isn't even hooked up. But the wire here still needs to be grounded, so I'm not sure what the deal is with that. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try anyway. Come up here and film. We're just gonna splash some gas down the carb, and that is probably way too much. All right, let's give it a shot. Well, apparently it runs. Let's see if we can get it to continue running. Alright, between all the incessant text messages and looking for tripods and trying to figure out this goofy setup here, I don't know what this is, but it looped around. It looks like it went back on here. It was off of this. I'm not sure what that's supposed to do, but you've got some sort of a solenoid on there. So I don't really care for this carburetor. The only reason I would keep this on here is for the fact that I'm not sure if it's going to affect how the transmission shifts or not. I would assume so. And this has a really similar setup to the Eagle, where you've got this vacuum actuated or electrically actuated solenoid. Looks like she's electric, that keeps it idling. So that's kind of convenient, but you know, not real helpful for what we're doing. So let's try this. I've got a fuel line hooked up to the gas can, and we're gonna pump off that, so it's gonna take a minute. Shut her down. What's going on out here? Well, I started it up, but man, do you see that fuel? I guess that fuel fitting's loose. Lucky we didn't burn the whole works down. Right there. I didn't realize that was loose. It's been a few months since I messed with this car. Let's see if we can get this bugger put back in place and try that again. That's the longest this car's run since I've had it. Sounded pretty dang good. Open headers right now. God, there's this wiring right smack in the road here. Let's try and get this out of our way. I hope you guys can even see something, because I can't get the camera any closer. Oh man, and then the hood's hitting me in the head. It's really windy out. Holy crapola. Well, clearly the fuel pump's working. I I put this on here the same way it was on here before when I pulled this engine out of the van, and it wouldn't pump. I guess the guys that had that van before must have replaced the fuel pump, got the lines backward, because I know it wouldn't pump. Okay, you guys keep an eye on that and tell me if it starts spraying fuel again. Well, now what? Runs for a minute, then quits. Okay. Not sure what's up with that, but yeah, tons of fuel coming out 1 second and then now nothing. Let's see if we got any fuel here. I should have used a backer wrench. I don't know if that's the floats are stuck in here. Like I say, I've never run this off the fuel pump before, so, you know, there's plenty of things to figure out. Okay. You know, I wonder if she's just cold. Choke's wide open, so I don't know. Let's take a look at the linkage here. Yeah, this is disconnected. That's probably not helping. Yeah, look at that. So this is operated off of a dash pot. So as soon as I put that in there, that snapped shut. Okay, it's starting to snow. Wasn't even supposed to snow today. There's 3% chance. So let's see if that helps it out. And you know, if this doesn't go, we're gonna maybe catch this on a warmer day. This is just supposed to be a short video. Well, she's running, that must have been the issue. signing off on another one.